In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Gladiator class here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is actually look on this left-hand sidebar and find this little classes option on here. You could also walk into the little classes menu over here as well, the little shop, but essentially just select one of those two options, go into it, and you need to find the Gladiator class on here. Now, the Gladiator class is pretty cool. It costs about 75 nuggets, so just keep that in mind. And you can actually get those nuggets by completing daily quests. And these quests give you rewards like 1, 2, or 3 nuggets, depending on the quest itself. But essentially, go ahead and make your way here, complete these, and then of course, what you can also do is just play the game like normal. The longer you do survive, like per day, you're gonna get 1 nugget. So make sure that you do survive as long as possible. Or if you want to get them even faster, you could just go into the nugget shop, find whatever nuggets it is that you want, and then of course just purchase them for a set amount of Robux. But that's actually the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.